I have truly met my match.
Life with you is so much fun, and I never want to spend a day without you. I love how you always see the best in everyone and everything. You are altogether beautiful, my darling. There is no flaw in you." End quote. You are the most beautiful woman in the world, both inside and out. Next, I'd like to thank you for taking that leap of faith that brought us here to forever. I'll love you till my lungs give out. I'm all yours.
Connor Michael Murphy. I never imagined God had a major plot twist in store for us years later. And somehow, you're one of the only people I've ever met who's almost as funny as I am. I know we'll spend the rest of our lives laughing away tomorrow's fears. I didn't just choose you for me, I chose you for winning and for our future babies, who I know will have the best dad in the world.
Love you.
Love you.
Connor, you promised to love Kinley through the life adventures, to be her safe place when the world feels heavy, to make her laugh when she needs the most, to let her go shopping and spend all of your hard-earned money, and to keep choosing her every single day of the rest of your life.
I definitely do.
Kinley, do you promise to love Connor in every season, to stand by him through every challenge, to let him go hunting and fishing anytime you want, believe in his dreams, keep choosing him, no how many miles, move, or road trip lie ahead?
I guess I do.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Connor, you may kiss the bride.
Watching Kinley and Connor together has been one of the greatest joys in my life. Their love is quiet in the most beautiful way. They choose each other daily, and I love the way they love each other. Connor, you love Kinley in a way that makes perfect sense. Kinley, I've loved you through every version of yourself. Truly Happy is my favorite one yet. You deserve this kind of joy. You deserve this kind of love. I love you forever.
I might not have been the best influence on you all the time, but man, did we always have a lot of fun when we were together. It makes my heart so happy to see the man you are becoming. My best piece of marriage advice to you guys is to never stop doing the things that made you fall in love in the first place. And it's you two versus the world, not you two versus each other. So to Kinley and Connor for a happy and loving, forever lasting marriage, congrats to the good life.